Pricing is one of the fundamental elements of marketing. Pricing plays a very important factor as to how important your product or service is to the customer and how relevant it is to the customer. What is the importance of correct pricing? 1% improvement in price helps in 11% increase in profit. So when you get your pricing right, it's one of the most important things that you can do for your business. You have strategies like cost plus pricing, penetration pricing, tender pricing, psychological pricing, which we talked about in our last video, value pricing, market skimming. So this is all the science behind the price. But in the last video also, we had discussed with you the psychological pricing, the behavioral effect of pricing in the market. Given that, let's try and understand the art behind the science of pricing. Also, it is this art as to how you kind of depict your price. For example, if you depict your price in red and make it bold and make it bigger, it kind of feels like you're offering a lot of discount on the original price. Similarly, the left digit effect, which is 999 kind of pricing. You would always see that companies go for 29.99 rather than 30. So that is known as the left digit pricing, and you would see a lot of companies go for it, even premium companies like Apple. So it does have a psychological effect, and it always helps you sell more. Also, when you're offering a lot of items, especially when you're in the restaurant business, the way you should have your menu is wherein you start from the highest one and come to the lowest one. So the reason for that is that listing products by price in descending order increases the likelihood of people going in for a more expensive purchase, because then they're trying to decide between the price and the quality, and they would always go in for a better quality than a lower quality. This brings us to the good, better, best model of pricing, which is mostly employed by the SaaS companies. An example of the same is wherein you have the good, which is the personal package here, the better, which is advanced package here, and the best one, which is the business package here. Most of the companies want you to go in for either the better or the best package, and there are various ways of doing it. For example, you would have seen a lot of companies employ this. Like, if you see these four packages, they are highlighting the premium package, and they are highlighting it in a way of graphics, in a way that helps you choose this.